headlights for this truck. The ones that are in here are Oxydo, and someone else sent me some, so I'm going to see if they're any better. I got to back off before I put these brights on. But this is the way they are now, and the headlights are adjusted. It seems like they're low, but I don't have any complaints about these. But if the other ones are, I'll say if the other ones are better or not. We'll see. The Oxydo ones. But see, them are the brights. And they light up pretty good. But when I get home here, I'm going to change out them other ones. I'll show you what they look like, the box they come in and all that stuff. We'll see. So here's the box they came in. They're Lasfit. They sent me a air compressor too. It works pretty good. It shouldn't take that long to put these in. Because it's got this here. Oh, that's, yeah. So, that's some kind of braided wire. Got a fan in it. It's got this box on it. So I'll put these in. Let's see. Shouldn't be too bad to do. I might be able to get it from camera. Reach in my hand, oh yeah. Okay, let's back up. It's a nighttime video because it's, headlights. So that should stay down there, but these are the I believe they're the Oxydo ones, and they're pretty good. But we're gonna see if these other ones are any better. Well, these ones are smaller in size, but it's got a fan on it. This one doesn't have a fan. We're gonna see if hopefully they're better. Okay. Wait a minute, I gotta put this. What the hell does that go on there? Oh yeah, you gotta slide all this through here like that. Apparently, unless I did it wrong. It ain't. What the? I must be dumb. Okay. Well, why ain't that going over there? Maybe I'll try it when I got it plugged in. I don't know. Or should go. See how that goes in there again. Oh, camera, don't fall. I said don't fall. On this way, so right, you're supposed to take the headlights out, I would imagine, but I'm trying not to because this side's all banged up. Oh yeah, camera, I said don't fall. I don't hear it. Not supposed to be falling. All right, so wire. Would be this way. It plugs in there, and Oh, it's not fitting around that too swell with that wire. But maybe finesse it without breaking it. In the wintertime. Come on, get in there. How the... I don't know how that's supposed to work here. I'll put the headlight in and then... I don't know. I shouldn't be... I thought it was going to take a few minutes here, not all night. Maybe I'll take the headlight out. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So, oh yeah, these are crap, because this truck was an accident. Before I bought it. And oh yeah, that's why I smashed that on there, I think. It ain't coming off there, shit. One second. How can I get that in there? Oh yeah. I was dumb, see? You just slide it on there like that. I was not doing that. I thought different, I guess. It's not their fault, my fault. Get in though. Get in there. Oh yeah, I knocked it off. And make sure again. God, why? Does that mean a pain? Don't drop. Okay, so goes on this way. Finagle that in there somehow. Why can't I pass that? Okay, come on, go around. Get on there. Come on, fit. Oh, there we go. There. One more behind here. Come on, don't break it. I don't like the way that works there, but what are you gonna do? Okay. Why aren't they? You know what? I'm going to go to this other side because this headlight comes out and I can see what I'm doing better. There. Why ain't it coming out? So I'm done. Crying out loud. Headlights. What the? Why ain't that coming out of there? There we go. I just had to give it a little tug. Alright. Get out my jacket. Okay. Oh, you can turn that to any. Alright, that's kind of neat. So this here, that turns any way you want it to turn, apparently. You just push, and it locks in. Huh, that's nice. Okay. The O-ring's nice and tight. Okay, now old one out. I don't know how that's gonna. Huh. Okay. Can't get that around there. What? This is. Oh, yeah, it comes. This comes completely off. That's what you're supposed to do. I should have read the directions. See. Then you just put it in here. That's nice. I didn't read the directions, so it's my fault. I didn't know you need any for headlights, but apparently you do. Makes it easier when you know what you're doing. Gotta find the little notches. There they are. And you put this in like that. So that's on. Then you take and go and put this in. That's fancy. There. Now it's in. And I will. And it's locked. So. Oh yeah. I unlocked it by twisting it around. Okay, so it's in there. Now. Get in there. Get in there. Alright, well I'll just bring it back. Because you gotta get them into there and that and that. I'll bring it back when I get it all in there, and then we'll go for a ride and see the difference. Alright, they're in, and we'll try it out here. See what I mean? That's why I didn't want to take that headlight out, because I was like that when I bought it. You don't need to worry about your hood getting crooked. All right, we'll see how they are. stop anti-lock, and then use brakes to lock up on the ice, not vibrate the pedal. On this road that I did the video on of the old lights, we'll see. Yeah, they're way better on the dim. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, they're out farther on the dim than the other ones, and they light up a lot more. All right. So if you want a set of these headlights, I'll leave the link to that in the description. Wonder if there's any deer out here. See, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, one of my, oh, dang. That shouldn't got bad. Oh, it was just shorted the wire. There. These here, I like these here. So like a running light or whatever, but it's like 2003 or something Ford F-150. But yeah. Dirty. They work good. See you on the next one. Look at that Chevy over there.